Hey, let me take a second of your time. Who here is in a construction trade? Renos or Hardscape to be specific. All right, very cool. Me too. So let me ask this. Where did you learn how to do the work? Better yet, where did you learn to price out the work? See, I find it strange that you can get properly educated as an electrician or plumber, and you can get education for architecture, drafting, mechanical design, and so on. But for two of the largest income generating fields, such as hardscaping and renovations or restorations, nothing. Sure, paving companies will do seminars on installing their products, but what do you charge for a quote or a selling cost? What if I told you that now there's a platform that'll teach you what your quote should be? See, no other contractor can tell you what you need to charge for any project because their overhead cost is different than yours. That's lesson number one. I see it all the time on forums and groups that I belong to. There's always people asking, what should they be charging for a project that they're quoting on? See, when you consider that over $176 billion were spent on hardscape and landscape projects in the US last year alone, just take a look at the stats. And the renovation industry brought some $420 billion. Again, that's the US alone. Well, if we're the ones to quote and perform this work, why do we not have the proper education? Is it a secret society you need to belong to? Because if so, this video is going to be taken down soon. Guaranteed. Click the link below to learn more right now, because there's only so much I can say here in this short promo. The link will bring you to our platform specific to hardscapers and renovators. We believe so much that you'll master your trade after joining that we're giving you the training for free. Free training, y'all. Our guarantee is that you'll get the desired profit on the very next project you sell. Guaranteed. And your price will be 100% accurate. So click the link below and learn more about this platform and sign up for your free training right now while it's free. Click the link and join up now. Experience mastering our trade and know that once completing this course and mastering your new skills, you are to be considered a professional. Now, without any further delay, let's get down to business.